How to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. So if you don't want to let anyone to zoom your profile picture on Instagram, then this video is for you. First thing first, update your app from Play Store or App Store. Then go ahead and open Instagram app. Once it opens, make sure to sign in on your Instagram account and then proceed towards tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you reach on this profile feed, tap on three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will let you access to the settings and activity page where you need to scroll all the way down and under who can see your content, select account privacy. So on this section in some of the devices, you might find the option of allow profile picture expansion. If you find that option on your device, most probably those options will be available on the iOS devices. So if you are the user of iOS device, then simply you need to toggle on the button or toggle off the button in order to disable the profile picture expansion. But if you don't find here, you need to come out from this page, and then what you need to do is you need to scroll all the way down on the settings and activity page and open help. Here you need to select report a problem option and select report problem without checking. And then tap on include and continue. And here you need to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So we need to report the problem so that we can contact to Instagram support team directly, and then it will help us to fix our issue. So you can easily describe the issue on your own words, or if you don't know, then you can also copy paste the issue that I had written or that I have written here. Then you can, if you have any screenshots, then you can select this upload and attach the attachment as well. And then tap on the send button at the top right corner of the screen. And then once the report has been submitted within 24 hours or the 48 hours, your issue will be solved and you'll be able to disable the Instagram profile picture zoom. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.